What's up, Warriors? It's Brian Warrior, and today I'm back at again with another vlog. And I haven't recorded forever, so I missed recording, so I just picked up my recording material. I'm just kidding. My tablet. That's what I record with, because I'm gonna buy a camera for, I don't know, I'm not sure. But as you see, I got a haircut and stuff, and you know, I haven't vlogged in forever. I look like a soccer player head ass. I'm just kidding. But for real, my sister playing over there some basketball. Okay, guys. So look, last time I found this in my house, right? Just in my house, and last time, hold up. Do you want to tell them? No, I'll tell them. Last time I found a bird nest, like right there. You see the nest, right? Hold up. Right. Okay, yeah. Whatever. But I found a bird nest. And I was like, okay, yeah, why is it so close to our house and stuff, you know? Like, they're usually in trees and stuff. Like, you know, like trees. Okay, but for real, look. Bird nest is right there. Okay, hold up. Turn on the light. Right there. And last time, right there, look, right there on top, you see those things? Yay. Okay, but for real, last time I don't know why, cause before there was a birdhouse over there, like 2 or 3 years ago. No, 1 or 2 years ago, and I like just touched inside it, you know, look there, you know, there's eggs, and
wait.
No, last time I checked. The first time I saw the bird nest there, I checked. Is there eggs there today? Whatever, you know. And I was like, no, there was no eggs. It was empty. And just right now, like you know, right now, like what time is it? Like 9 p.m. No, I'm just kidding.
7 something.
Yeah, like 7. Look, I'm scared. What if the mom comes and pokes me in the head, and pokes me in the eye, and pokes me in the private part? It feels like an egg, but I'm like, it's weird.
Remember, like,
it's weird.
Like 2 years ago or 1 year ago? There was a bird nest over there.
Oh, I'm playing with one can, and I took it away. You garbage.
My dad, he was looking inside.
Okay.
He was checking. And then there was like 2 eggs and there were 3.
You're telling a story, so I'm zooming in. No, I'm not zooming in. I'm getting closer. Okay. Yeah, and I was like...
And he let me grab one.
I was like, oh my god. Oh my god.
It's not mine, but it's the mom. But the mom never came back.
I'm scared if the mom comes and pokes me in the eye and pokes me in the
I'm gonna go like this.
face. Because, you know. But yeah. Hope you all having a wonderful day. Hold up. Picking up the ball because my sister sucks at basketball. Yay! I'm just kidding. I don't know if she's good or not. Oh. Okay, but for... Yo, look at my new hair, though. Look at my new hair, though. I'm just kidding. But for... That was weird. Okay, I guess. Do you want to grab the egg?
No.
I'm scared. I'm scared. That's our neighbors. But I'm scared. I'm tall, but it's just... I'm scared if the mom comes. Tell me if you see a bird coming. Oh, shit, that scared me. That scared me. This piece of tape scared me. Ya cállate. Okay, hold up. We'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. What is that? Oh, that's American Dad. Ha, bruh. Okay, I'm scared. I am scared. And some of you are probably gonna say, why are you messing with the bird's nest and stuff? Like, a baby's gonna grow. I know. I'm gonna put it back. I'm just gonna grab it. See it? I see a bird coming. I'm going to run.
Oh no, that's not a bird. That's your little brother.
Yeah, that's my little brother. I don't know why he has a garbage can. I think he's gonna puke. But it's Gucci clean. I'm just kidding. But Brando, there's a bird nest and
Yes, eggs.
oh my God, they're so small.
Let me see.
Look, they're so small. No, it's so small, guys. It's so small. I swear, that is a real bird egg. Okay, I'm leaving before the mom comes and... Oh, Dad.
Run for your life! The dad's coming!
Okay, I'm in the backyard then. Where I first recorded my video. Right. Hold up.
Here!
There. Okay, but for real. Okay. No, for real. Represent. No, I'm just kidding. But for real. Oh God, they're so bro. They're this big. They're this big. Should I go inside and show my dad? Okay. I don't know. Hey guys, should I go inside and show my dad?
Huh?
Should I show my dad?
Yeah.
It just feels weird because it's a... Hold up, I'll be back. Look at my hair. Oh, I'm just kidding. Shout out to my grandma. Shout out to my grandpa. Shout out to my dad. But let's go outside now, guys. No, it's not. You put this back before the mom comes, for real. But yeah. Okay, guys. That was, everybody saw it. Everybody, almost everybody. Him, her, me, my brother. I'm just kidding, my brother didn't. Not only my brother, that one. But, my grandma, my grandpa, and my dad. Shout out to those three. Okay, for real. Oh yeah, also go follow me on Instagram. It's gonna be right there. And my name's gonna be right there for Instagram. Okay, I'm sorry about that. But Musically is good. I don't really.
That's me.
I don't do Musically anymore. Well, you can have an Instagram and then I'll show you all. But look, I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm like bored right now, guys. Like I don't know what to do. Like we just had fun with a little egg this big. Okay, I actually do suck at basketball, kind of. But I'll show you some moves. Move, good jaggers. Okay, let me see. Do not move the truck, cause then it's gonna fall. Ooh. Stop just then. Okay, guys. Okay. I'm trash at basketball. That's all I gotta say. That's all I gotta say. But I'm still Gucci. Like I'm still good. Like hey, turn up. I'm just kidding. That didn't have to. Cut it out. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Okay, I'm just kidding. Go get it. Okay, that's me playing basketball. Well, look, that's my neighbor's house. And I'm gonna go sit down in their chair. Cause I'm tired. He's right there. Never mind. He's right there. So never mind. That's not gonna happen. Change of plans. Bird nest. I'm just kidding. But one day, it's gonna be 1v1. Brian Warrior, me, versus X Leopard X in basketball. That's gonna be a video, guys. Basketball. Hoops over there. And yeah. Well, that's gonna be another video we're gonna do. Wow, look at that car. Okay, another video we're gonna do. And yeah. Huh?
Bonito chunks.
Ooh, a ver.
Acá, huele.
Okay, Okay. Well, I'll be back. Hi, Mr. Charles.
Hey, well, how you doing, buddy?
I'm good. Okay. As I said, that's my neighbor. So yeah, guys. Hold up. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment if you love this video. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Peace out, warriors. You're cool. Keep it that way. Peace out. Yeah.